You want healthy snacks for your kids, but they're really expensive. If the ingredients aren't complicated, maybe the method isn't all that complicated. Why not make it yourself? Or teach your kids to do it. I'm Katie Kimball, founder of the Kids Cook Real Food e-course, elementary school teacher by training, and mom of 4 by vocation. My 8-year-old and I will demonstrate today how easy it is to make a homemade fruit and nut bar that is as good as, and usually better than, the bars you can buy in the store. The process is simple, no matter what combo of fruit and nuts you use. Pulse or process the nuts or seeds. Add the dried fruit and process until everything is uniform. Add any spices or salt through the top while the food processor is running. Watch for the dried fruit to make it all stick together. It will swish around and clump instead of looking like crumbs. If you need to, add a teaspoon of water or a half teaspoon of coconut oil at a time to get it to stick together. Roll into balls or press into bars, and you've got a healthy snack to go that is shelf stable for much less than store-bought versions. This is our PB&J flavor. This is our nut-free flavor, Sunny Vacation. So easy, a kid can do it all by themselves. Do not miss our free download with this recipe and 9 others. That's 10 snacks your kids can make. And it's your way to end the snack time battles at kidscookrealfood.com/free snacks.